How to use Canada's Food Guide website. First, click on the URL box and type foodguide.canada.ca. So FOOD and then a dash or a hyphen and then guide GUIDE dot Canada CANADA dot CA and then press enter. Okay, and here we go. Here is the Canada's Food Guide website. So yes, we've got the website name here. We've got the main page that has a healthy plate. And we've also got this sidebar with more options, things to click on. Okay, so it says eat a variety of healthy foods each day, have plenty of vegetables and fruits. I want to learn more about vegetables and fruits, so I will click here. And then if I read and I can scroll down, I can read more about vegetables and fruits, different kinds and how to make them, snack ideas. Yeah. Okay. If I click the back button right here, it sends me back to the main page. This one says eat protein foods. So this time I will click on this to learn more about protein foods. And then again, there's lots of details about proteins that I can read about on this page. Different types, how to make them, making snacks, plant-based proteins, so I can read that. Okay, once I'm finished with that, I'm going to click the back button again. And okay, it says make water your drink of choice. Okay, I want to learn a little bit more about that, so this time I will click on the water. And oh, okay, I can read more about why it is a good idea to drink water. And some other healthy drinks and bad drinks. Okay. When I am finished reading that, I'm scrolling, notice I'm scrolling up and down to find information. I can click the back button and just scroll down a little bit. Oh, okay, right. The last one says choose whole grain foods. So this time I'll click on this part of the plate. And oh, look at that. All sorts of information about why whole grain foods are good and different types of whole grains. Yeah, again, snacks. Okay, good. All right, again, I want to get back to the main page, so I will click the back button. Okay, so I've read all of this. Now I want more information. So if we look at this sidebar, there are lots of links on the sidebar with more information. So the first one says food choices. I wonder what that's about, food choices. So let's click on it and see. Okay, healthy food choices. Make it a habit to eat a variety of healthy foods each day. And then it is giving me some suggestions or some ideas on food choices. Okay, eat plenty of vegetables and fruits. Okay, those are the kinds of foods that I should choose to eat. Healthy choices. Limit highly processed foods. Okay, that's another piece of advice. Make water your drink of choice. Use food labels. And be aware that food marketing can influence your choices. Okay, so that page gave me a little bit more information on how to make healthy food choices. When I'm finished reading that, I'll click on the back button. And okay, I did food choices last time. Let's look what's in eating habits. Okay, I'll click here. Okay, so healthy eating habits. Healthy eating is more than just the foods you eat. It's also about where, when, why, and how you eat. Oh, okay, so it's giving me some ideas on sort of how to eat. So other advice. So, okay, be mindful of your eating habits. Cook more often. Enjoy your food. And eat meals with others. Okay, so that's more advice on healthy eating habits. I'll click the back button to get back to the main page. Oh, okay, and this next one says recipes. I bet I know what that is. That's probably, how to cook healthy meals. Some more ideas. So if I click on this, I can see, there's lots of recipes. Look at that. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. And I can scroll down and look at many different recipe ideas. I'm scrolling down. Oh, there's lots of them. Yeah, look at all those ideas. And okay, I've reached the bottom of the page. I can also scroll back up. Wow, look at all those recipes. Okay, all right. When I'm finished looking at recipes, I'll click on the back button again to get back to the main page. The next link on the sidebar is tips. If I click on tips, okay, so it's just more articles on different advice about healthy foods. So, okay, advice on meal planning, cooking, and healthy choices like diets, improving eating habits, more information about changing recipes if I scroll down. Oh, okay, the places that you can eat healthy, so at home, school, and work. Okay, life changes, teens. Okay, if I had teenagers, healthy food for parents, healthy food for adults. Okay, so yeah, that's just more articles and advice about healthy eating on that page. So I will go back and I'll click on the last one. This says resources. So I wonder what kind of information is in resources. I'll click on it. And okay, interesting. Now the one that's really helpful, I think, is this one right here. Look at all of the different languages, the different language names beside the picture of the food guide plate. So yeah, food guide, snapshot, other languages. Oh, that's helpful. So if I don't understand something, I can maybe find information in my first language about healthy eating. So I think I'm going to click on this one and then I'm going to scroll down. Okay, it says the food guide snapshot is available in many languages. Oh, that's interesting. Okay, and then, look here, it says select a language. Okay, well, let's see. Oh, look at all the languages. Arabic, Farsi, French, Hindi, Korean, Portuguese, Punjabi, Russian, oh, Chinese, Spanish. Okay, Vietnamese. Look at all those languages. It's in alphabetical order. Well, I also speak French, so I'll click on the French one. Click on this language and see what happens. Okay, so I click on this. It's French. And then now I want to view the food guide snapshot in French. Okay, so I'll click this button. See what happens. Oh, look at that. If I go down, now I can see, yeah, I can see and I can read about this food guide in French. So I can find useful information about healthy eating in another language. And that is how you use Canada's Food Guide website.